Saturday, the 27th of July, 2024, Sandersville, Georgia, 6:30, 75 degrees, going to 88, 98% humidity, going down to 72 tonight. We are here in Sandersville for the groundbreaking of the, I don't know if they call it the Georgia High-Low Trail or the Georgia Low or the High-Low Georgia Trail, but there's going to be a groundbreaking for it today. There's also a 5K, which we don't care anything about, but here right off of the square there are 6 EV charging stations. I think EV is going to probably disappear like a flash in the pan, because the chemicals mined to make the batteries is just too detrimental to the climate, I mean to the planet. But there is new technology coming on all the time, so what's up, Crowbird? We're probably going to get the bike out. We're usually on our way to South Georgia when we come through Sandersville, so we don't usually stop. But I think we will probably ride the bike here and then go down to the railroad track, check that out. I hope we have got the camera at the right angle. The head camera is hard to get at the right angle. I need to get it at the right angle once and then mark it some way or another. We're waiting for the other camera to finish charging before we get too far. I want to go back and get still photos with it, or go back and get it and do the still photos with it. I'm trying to learn to manage my head to where it's not jerky getting the videos. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna come back with a bicycle. And ride the town. We'll walk around the block here, and that ought to have that other camera charged. There's the van down there at the end of the alley. We need to get the Insta360 camera out too and use it. I'm not sure how well it does in low light, but it might do well. We ought to be using it now, I guess. 98% humidity, folks. Walk slow, drink a lot of water. Let's go back and get the other camera. Maybe go ahead and get the bike out. We'll go ahead and turn this off as we walk through the valley, or through the alley, not the valley, as we walk through the alley. Saturday, July the 27th, 2024, about 7:45, 75 degrees. Sandersville, Georgia. We're here for the groundbreaking of the High-Low Georgia Trail, or the Georgia High-Low Trail. We are usually on our way to South Georgia when we come through Sandersville, so we usually do not stop. We usually just drive through, but today Sandersville was our destination. So we're probably going to get the bike out and get bike video, getting this Insta360 video, getting GoPro Black10 video. We're going to be getting some stills. Meant to have already gotten some stills. Okay, we are starting back up with the GoPro Black10 and the Insta360. We've got to try to control our head better so that things won't be so jumping around. We're jumping around so much. It's smoother. Getting ready for the farmer's market. I got something. I don't know how I'm doing with the head control. Trying to use the Insta360 GoPro Black10 and then stopping to get some still photos. Too many things for my mind to control at one time. turn these off. Let's maybe go back, get the bike out and do a bike ride. And then see about finding where the groundbreaking is going to be.